Hey everyone, it's Thursday, January 14th. Today you are going to finish up typing up your rough draft. Remember that you should have 3 body paragraphs, an intro, and a conclusion. Your body paragraphs should be the history or background information, the application, so who was involved, what did they do, how did they do it, and the implication, so what was the outcome, what are the lasting impacts of what they did. Your rough draft is due tonight at 11:59 p.m. Any rough drafts that are turned in on time will receive comments from me. If you turn in your rough draft late, you will still receive credit, but you will not get comments from me. We will be doing peer editing on Tuesday. So today, when you're finished with your rough draft, submit it on Schoology. There's a Dropbox there. You'll also need to submit it to EduFlow so that we can do some peer editing. So make sure you submit it to both places so that you can get as much feedback as possible and so that you can participate in peer editing and help out your classmates. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.